are freaking adorable. I am in love. Once again, I will have everything on the website. This is just to show you guys a quick unboxing. These two is, the cousin got the pearl. She's kind of classy. Galaxy, she's simple with it. So I give you options.
He used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Cobain. Welcome back to my channel. Per usual, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on and join Cobain World. And then hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get right into the video. I'm so excited. I got yet another package from my lovely vendor. One of my actually my favorite vendor of all the products or items that I sell. I actually love this vendor. I got a big order and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera. It has been a while. I think I probably like one, maybe two. But I do want to do that. I do go Facebook Live and I have with my other past orders, but with this I'm so excited and I wanted to come to YouTube first and record my first unboxing. I did get some hair clips in this order that I previously ordered, so I already know what those are, the great quality those hair clips has, but I'm excited for the other stuff in this order, so we're gonna get right into this. As y'all know, opening this is not for the faint of heart, so make it do what it do. Try to make it do what it do. Okay, you guys, I didn't get the best look. I did obviously get a look in my peripheral because I'm opening, but I promise I did not look good. So y'all get a good first-hand look at what's in here. All right, let's get to it. So I'm happy this fell out. This is what I was really excited to get. These are going to be my mommy and me little turban set. I don't know if they come. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it and see if it's both in there. But it's a mommy and me turban set. This is so freaking cute. I am in love. These are so flippin' adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. These are flippin' adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off, let me just show you. It stretches. So, and it's not thick. It's a thin material. It's not too hot for these. It stretches a great amount. The same with these. They're good for toddlers or bigger kids. Perfect. I love, and it's all together. So you just boop, pop it in. You don't have to search for the matching set. These come as a set. I am so happy. I'm so happy. So happy. Okay, and just fast forwarding, these are all the different colors they come in. Got a pretty red, pretty cream color. I think this is like a black. Yes, because this is navy blue. And then we have navy blue. So if you can see the difference. I don't want to take them all out because it's the same thing. It's just different colors. Adorbs. Like, seriously? Seriously. I love it. Oh, I think it's like my favorite color. I really think this color, and this color, and these. I lied. These are all my favorites. Oh, still got more. That's a pretty color. I love these. Got some more. Okay, so this is, I don't know. They're different colors. One's more of a darker. You can tell the bottom more darker. This is more of a cream. This is more like of a tannish, I would guess, or a nude. Okay, so I think that's all the toboggans. Now we're going to jump into the clips I'm really, really excited about. These babies. These are freaking adorable. These are the ones I was so excited to get. I think this is great for babies, toddlers, even like young little girls, you know, to a certain stage. If they feeling it, depending on how old your little girl is. Some little girls ain't feeling it, some are, but I think it's adorable. And let's see, I'm excited to see the back. Okay, so this is it up close. Beautiful. And it's like a little alligator. Okay, a soft, let's see. This is the type of backing or type of clip they both have. And they both have that type. And these are the other options they have. So all together, these are the colors that I have for these bows. Oh, so I have some more of those little turbans, you guys. Like I said, everything is packaged in this box. So I'm pulling it out as I see it. So this video is not going to really be in order. But yeah, so we have purple. I love that. Let's see. Also have like a dark gray. I love, remember guys, these are mommy and me sets. These are adorable. So it's 2 turbans in this pouch. And then I do see this as well too. So, all right. So we have, ooh, these clips as well. I'm gonna take them out because of the glare. Do have these clips. Available. These are adorable. And I don't know, I don't think I'm going to sell it as a set like this. I think I'm going to just sell them individually. They're like stapled to this, so I can just pop this off, the card off itself, and sell these individually. But I think these are cute. I didn't want to get clips that you can go into these department stores locally and get. I wanted to get clips that are just not everyday finds. Like I want you to be your own beautiful and be unique, okay? So, okay, and I realized this is different little characters on these, which I think are absolutely cute. Moving along, we have these little cuties. Let me make sure I have it the right way. Cute little clips, and they have the same, as you can see, type of alligator type of clip. I think these are so cute. Adorable. Once again, I will have everything on the website. This is just to show you guys a quick unboxing. It's getting hot, you guys, with all these little girls' hair clips. And this is more. And this. And last but not least, y'all, this is just a whole lot of hair clips. I do have the big bling clips of what they want to call them, the crystallized clips, different sizes that I have available. And this is gold. You probably can't see better, see good in the light in it, but this is gold. And then this is silver. This is a smaller size clip. I've been offering these clips. This is gold on this side, and this side is the silver big crystal clips. I brought Galaxy back as well. This is the gold side for Galaxy, and this is the silver side of the Galaxy clip. Galaxy got a cousin, y'all. You know, she's a little more sassy and classy. Got to put the little pearl on the end. Let her show out a little bit, something like that. I don't know what to name her. And I do offer these clips for wholesale as well. So I wanted to show you. So we have this style with the pearl right there. We have the same style clip, but as you, I don't know if you can see, it is smaller than that clip. Okay, this front clip is smaller. You can see the difference in size. These two is, the cousin got the pearl. She's kind of classy. Galaxy, she's simple with it. So I give you options. Last but not least, some subtle, beautiful clips. So that is it, you all, for this YouTube. I'm so excited with all the quality. As you all know, if you're an entrepreneur, I have a lot of work to do, taking my pictures, editing this video, posting all these products on my website. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try my hardest to get everything up. I will definitely have everything updated to my website today. Today is Tuesday, May the 19th. So yes, I will have the video uploaded today too as well. So I thank you all for tuning in, and I hope to catch you all in my next video. As always, everyone be blessed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.